To learn more about a function, call help on the function. For example, to learn more about the matrix function, call help on the matrix function. Note that the name of the function I want to learn more about is provided within double quotes, that is, as a character. If I execute this, that will launch the help page for the matrix function on the help tab. Alternatively, use question mark before the name of the function. This will also launch the help page for the matrix function. If you want to view examples of how to use the matrix function, call example on the matrix function.